Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel. So today I wanted to share a video to reveal my new hardwood floors in my home that I am so excited about. Some of you had noticed that I got new floors in one of my previous videos, and I got a few comments asking me to make a video about them, and I was planning on doing it anyways, but I finally got around to it. So my husband and I did do everything ourselves. This was probably one of the biggest home projects we have done so far. There wasn't anything really hard about it, but for one, it did a number to our backs, and two, it was extremely exhausting. My husband did have flooring experience from a previous job years and years ago, so we did have that advantage when it came to installing them, and we did save a lot of money because we didn't have to hire anyone. And if you didn't notice, I didn't make any video clips as we were ripping up the carpet because it was just a hassle at the time, and it was a complete mess, and we were just trying to get it done really quick, but I did take short videos of the progress as we finished certain sections of the hardwoods, and you can see it gradually come together. When it came to picking out the new floors, I'm not gonna lie, it definitely was not easy for me. I knew I wanted real hardwoods, but trying to pick out a color and style was the absolute worst. I thought I was gonna like it, but it was actually really stressful for me because I was about to spend a lot of money and I did not wanna make a wrong decision for such an expensive permanent project. As some of you know, I do have two dogs. One of them is very huge, and my main concern was getting scratches all over the floors from their nails, and also not picking a super dark color because I kept hearing it showed everything. I wish I had counted how many samples I looked at because it definitely would have been close to 100 for sure. But I did finally decide on one and went with it. The floors I chose are by Eastern Flooring Products, and I went with a wire brushed solid classic hardwood from the series called Baytown, and the color is in gray shadow. It has a tad bit of a rustic look to it, but it's not too extreme, and it also has a matte finish. We've had them now for about almost 2 months, I would say, and they are holding up very, very well with the dogs. So this is probably a little random, but I wanted to jump back on here and tell y'all where I got my rugs since getting my new floors, because I get so many questions about it. So I'm gonna let y'all know now. First, in my foyer, this gray medallion rug came from Target. Next up is this rug in my dining room. I bought this super plush rug from Lowe's. And this plush runner in my hallway came from the store at home. The area rug in my family room, which matches the runner in my hallway, also came from the store at home. Lastly, this is the rug that I get the most questions about. I just happened to be in Home Goods a little over a month ago one day and came across this beauty. I had been looking for a bedroom rug for a while, so this was a really lucky find. And that is it for the reveal of my new floors. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all soon. Bye.